Hi everyone, I'm Damon McCool, Public Programming Specialist at Eastern State Penitentiary. Welcome back to Prisons and the Pandemic, where we examine the ways COVID-19 is impacting the lives of incarcerated people, correction staff, prison administrators, and other stakeholders within the criminal justice system. There are now 111,264 confirmed cases of incarcerated people with COVID-19. In total, 867 incarcerated people have died from the virus. Cases among prison staff now total 25,537, and staff deaths now total 71. Let's take a look at one very unique story coming out of Cuba. Last week, a group of Democratic senators said that they were worried about the U.S. military's ability to handle a coronavirus outbreak at the prison at Guantanamo Bay Naval Base in Cuba, after the Pentagon told Congress that it could maintain just 4 of the 40 detainees on ventilators and offered no details as to how it might care for the 1,500 U.S. troops there. The military prison houses enemy combatants seized during the U.S. War on Terror. The military acknowledged 2 cases of the virus on the base this spring, but the Pentagon has since prohibited the release of any further virus numbers. A key concern for the senators is that, by law, prisoners at Guantanamo must receive all of their medical care at the facility, while any of the base's other 6,000 residents can be medically evacuated to mainland hospitals. While military officials said that they are doing temperature checks on people entering prison buildings and that they have the capacity to do rapid testing, lawyers for detainees said recently that none of the prisoners have been tested for the virus. In their statement, the group of 11 senators also included a call to, quote, responsibly close this facility that is inconsistent with our values, does not make us safer, and wastes taxpayer dollars, end quote. So would you support the closing of Guantanamo Bay as a response to COVID-19? Would you support the closing of other U.S. prisons as a response to COVID-19? Let us know in the comments. We look forward to your questions and your feedback. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll see you next week on Prisons and the Pandemic.